How to delete your CoinGecko account. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to delete your CoinGecko account. To delete your CoinGecko account, all you need to do is open up your CoinGecko right here. So here's the CoinGecko to delete your account. And a quick tip for you guys, when you're gonna delete your account right here, like for example right here, you can use CoinGecko without an account. Just go to the browser and just search up the currency you want, and it will automatically, CoinGecko will just pop up inside the day and show you even without an account. So it's okay guys, relax. Right here, anyways, here at CoinGecko, all you need to open up CoinGecko, and on the bottom right corner you will see like a profile icon right there. Press on that. After pressing on your profile icon right there, next thing we need to do is click on right over here, my account. Here at my account, click on delete my account. There we go, and type here delete. Look at that coin gecko, or look at that gecko, it's so cute. We're gonna delete it. Sorry gecko, I'm sorry gecko. Then click on delete. Because as you can see right now, with the account has been deleting, we have to wait a few moments. There you go. There you go. Your account was deleted successfully. You won't have like 7 days, 1 week, 24 hours wait. It will just automatically delete your account here on CoinGecko. So there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always type it down comment below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you here on Guide Glimpse. So there you go, guys. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye, boosh.